Direct deposit on UKG Pro. In today's video, we are going to learn how to set up direct deposit on UKG Pro. So let's get started. First, log into UKG Pro through your company's portal using username and password. Once logged in, open the menu or Myself tab. This may be varied by company. Select Pay or Pay Information option and choose direct deposit or payment methods from the option. Click Add or the plus icon to set up a new bank account. Enter your account type, routing number, account number, and deposit type. If adding multiple accounts, set the priority and choose the amount of percentage for each. Click Save or Submit to confirm your setup. You may be asked to verify your account before it becomes active. Double check that your account now shows as active for upcoming pay periods. And that's all. That's how you will be able to set up direct deposit on UKG Pro. Thanks for watching.